Hi, this is Sheja from Chennai. I'm working as a teacher with a master's degree in mathematics and a bachelor's degree in education. I was a part of Mastermind group studying on John Maxwell's 15 invaluable laws of growth, facilitated by Maxwell Leadership Certified Team Member Balan Swaminathan. I have learned to identify many things about myself and have also discovered ways to improve in various areas of my life. I used to be an overthinker and would get stressed about everything very easily. After this course, I have learned to meditate, be optimistic, avoid situations which makes me unhappy, willing to take risk and tension. Mastermind has built my self-esteem, self-confidence and resilience in tough situations. It has also increased my self-awareness, my skills and added value to others. At work, I have started following creative strategies to help the students understand difficult concepts. I am also passing on the laws of growth to my students, motivating them to grow. My friends and students have found that I have become stress-free with peaceful and smiling face nowadays. The course has also helped me explore new opportunities to help me realize my full potential and advance my career. I highly recommend this course to my friends, family members and students as it will bring a great shift in their perspective and will help them grow and live happier lives. Thank you.